The future is unfolding in Panvel smart city. Strong connectivity and peaceful living. More than a location, Panvel is a future-ready city in the making. In the heart of this transformation, Olive codenamed Sector Green rises as an address of pride, a signature of luxury living. From your home at Olive codenamed Sector Green, you are majorly connected to Mumbai through every possible route. The Sion-Panvel Highway gives you a smooth, direct approach to Olive codenamed Sector Green. While the Mumbai-Pune Expressway for uninterrupted intercity access. The Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link will reduce travel time between South Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. And with the Palaspe Phata just minutes away, you stay connected to Panvel's most crucial intersection. The Panvel railway station is just a few kilometers away, connecting you across Mumbai and beyond through rail route. The jewel in the crown, the Navi Mumbai International Airport, just minutes away. The upcoming Virar-Alibag multi-modal corridor, a 126-kilometer lifeline linking key growth zones with Panvel. The metro network is expanding into Panvel, promising fast, efficient urban mobility. The ambitious NANA project aims to transform Panvel into a sustainable, smart city with easy access to rail, road, and air connectivity. In the heart of NANA TPS-1, shaping new Panvel's future. Surrounded by education centers, green spaces, civic amenities, community center, and play garden. Olive Builders stands among the largest private and land holdings in TPS-1 around Olive codenamed Sector Green, with reputed schools and universities, hospitals and shopping malls like D-Mart are just minutes away. With cinemas and recreational spots close by, every day brings something new to enjoy. Panvel is Mumbai's next big chapter. An olive sector green puts you right at its heart, surrounded by greenery and fresh air.